Okay, let's jump right in. We've got a bunch of sources here about Freepik, the huge stock asset site. Our goal today really is to track how it blew up into this AI giant and figure out this trade-off. You get these amazing tools, but then people complain a lot about how credits just vanish. Is it a creative tool or like a credit vampire?
Exactly. We're looking past the shiny ads. Is this AI shift genuinely adding value, or is it just, a new way to create friction for users?
Right. So first things first, where did Freepik even come from? Our sources say it kicked off pretty humbly back in 2010.
Yeah, just a basic hub, really. Free vectors, free photos. Kind of like the Craigslist for graphics back then, maybe? Simple stuff.
But wow, did it change fast. By 2025, we're talking a totally different beast. An AI powerhouse, apparently over 200 million assets.
Not just photos, stock video, icons, those PSD files, which are crucial for, serious Photoshop work. It's a huge range.
And it wasn't just more stuff, they built actual AI engines. Flux, that's the image one, right? And Runway for video.
That's right. So you don't need to be a tech wizard or have a massive budget anymore. You just type, I don't know, cat in a tuxedo at a disco, like the example.
Uh-huh, yeah. And poof, you get a custom visual. It's pretty wild.
Definitely a productivity game changer. And that's why big names like Google and Adobe Pros are apparently using it. We saw users saying it made them feel like vector virtuosos practically overnight.
Okay, so how do you get access? There's a free plan. Seems like a decent taster.
Yeah, 10 downloads a day, solid teaser, like you said, but you got to give attribution, link back to them.
And then the paid options, premium tiers.
Right, those run, between maybe $9 and $20 a month, and they promise unlimited stock downloads, commercial rights, the works.
Seems pretty straightforward, hooks you in.
Hooks you in right before you maybe hit the tricky parts. The stuff our sources are really flagging.
Okay, here we go. This is where the hype maybe meets a bit of a headache, the credit crunch thing.
Yep,
Wow.
because even if the stock downloads are unlimited, the AI generation, that's totally different, needs credits.
And credits are like a separate currency just for making new images or videos with Flux or Runway.
That's where the frustration really seems to pile up. People feel like these AI credits just evaporate, like ice cream on a hot day, one source put it.
Yeah, and we saw that specific example, making just one little 8-second video clip. They can apparently chew through a third of your entire monthly credit allowance.
Ouch. That's significant.
It really is. And it brings up this transparency issue, doesn't it? That unlimited downloads promise on premium.
Well, the sources confirm it's actually capped, 100 downloads a day, which is a lot, sure, but
Yeah.
it's not technically unlimited.
It's an unlimited plan with a number attached. Kind of odd phrasing.
It is. And then you add the other stuff people complain about in
Yeah.
reviews, things like getting stuck in login loops or trying to get help from support.
Oh yeah, the support chat feeling like talking to a brick wall, or worse, a chatbot on vacation. That sounds fun.
Not ideal, no.
Yep.
Now, we should be clear, Freepik has high trust scores overall. It's not flagged as some kind of outright scam. But these billing issues, the surprise credit costs, they definitely drag the experience down for some users.
Yeah.
Makes competitors, maybe like Canva, seem a bit less stingy, perhaps.
Okay, so summing it up for you, the listener, what's the bottom line here? Freepik looks like a potential game changer, especially if you're on a budget or just need quick creative sparks, tapping into that huge library and the AI.
For sure. Casual creators, small projects, it could be amazing.
If you're in heavy production, churning out tons of content daily, you absolutely have to watch out for that credit trap. Factor it into your costs.
That's really the core issue. It leads to a bigger question, maybe something to think about. If a service sells itself on, bandless AI creation,
Yeah.
how should users really define unlimited? What should they expect before they sign up and commit? It's this constant balance, isn't it? The value of the cool stuff you can make versus the sometimes hidden cost of making it.